It has become fashionable to talk about automation and AI when it comes to email marketing. But what is the use of this if it doesn't actually help in personalizing the communication that you're doing with your audience? So that really is the case study for the day. And we are going to be doing this for First Cry, which is an e-commerce site targeting parents of newborns and babies. Now, these are the various steps, right? The first step is really when you log into the backend of MailChimp, you have to assume that you're doing a mailer for First Cry. Right, and so just design a simple mailer. The crux of the case study is not the design, but how you would actually automate so that it results in more personalization for the end for the audience, right? So the first thing, the step one, the first way in which you could actually personalize your communication is by using something called merge tags. So merge tags, you find out the syntax for that in MailChimp, and then use that so that you can customize with respect to a name that you can put in the subject line or in the salutation of in the copy of the mailer, right? So that's really the merge tags. That's really step one. Step two, the second way in which you can personalize your communication is by using automation with respect to the actions that happen on the mailer, right? So for example, you can, based on whether a person opens or clicks, you can send a certain mailer. You can also send a mailer based on which link in the mailer has the person clicked on. So it's up to you. You can decide which one you want to go with. See how you can actually set up these rules in MailChimp. So that's the second level, or step two, with respect to how you can personalize. And the last step, or with respect to personalizing, is to see how you can personalize the mailers, sending of mailers based on the actions on the website. Right. So before this, we were in step two, we were discussing how it is based on the actions on the mailer. Now we are discussing once a person goes to First Cry, but depending on which page the person is, or which category the person is, or whether the person has added to cart on a certain kind of product, based on that, the mailer communication should go. So this is really the max with respect to personalization that you can do. And again, here you have to see which are those features in the MailChimp automation which will allow you to do this. So those were the 3 steps with respect to personalizing the communication for your audience. Thank you.